1 iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Roomba Combo J9 Plus, Self-Emptying Vacuum and Mop. Meet the Roomba Combo J9 Plus, your smartest, most hands-off cleaning partner yet. This 2-in-1 powerhouse vacuums and mops with 100% stronger suction and deep scrubbing smart scrub action, tackling everything from pet hair to dried spills. Its fully retractable mop lifts away on carpets, so rugs stay dry. No more wet messes. Thanks to the Clean Base autofill dock, it empties itself for up to 60 days and refills water for 30, giving you true hands-free cleaning. Dirt Detective Intelligence learns your home, prioritizing dirtier rooms and adjusting settings automatically. With precision vision navigation, it avoids obstacles in real time and maps your space 7x faster. Neat, efficient rows mean every inch gets cleaned without you lifting a finger. So, that sums up my 1 iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.